Hello everyone, today we will be unboxing the Series 5 Apple Watch. So if you look on the back, you can see what the box comes with and your style of Apple Watch. We got the gold aluminum with the pink sand wristband. So you just lift up the plastic covering like so, carefully. And then you can get into the watch box. Just lift the two flaps on the sides like so. You lift the little flaps so you can lift the bigger flaps open. And then on the side, inside the box, there is a series of Apple Watches. Very nice. So as you can see, the main Apple Watch case has the face of the Apple Watch. And then there's another case which has the wristband of the Apple Watch. First, we'll be taking a look at the case of the Apple Watch face. Here we have the Apple Watch. So here is the charger for the Apple Watch. Here is where you can connect it to the wall, to a power outlet. And then here in this little pocket, there's the Apple Watch face, so it won't get scratched whenever it's inside the box. Slide it out carefully.
And it's gold aluminum.
And there's your watch
so
face.
It's really nice.
Close it.
And it has the shape of the Apple Watch. You want to be sure that you don't drop your Apple Watch face, as it is quite small. As you can see, it has gold aluminum on the sides. Now, for the wristband, you just tear at the perforation
And there,
marked right there by the little green dot. That's plastic, so you just tear that off so you can open. Okay, so now you just lift at the little side, and then you can get to your Apple wristband. It comes with some instructions. And it has the mark of the Apple Watch. Let's get into it. So here it tells you how to apply the wristband onto the Apple Watch. You just slide it in, and then it tells you also how to put it on. To slide it out, you just do the same thing. There's a medium large wristband, and there's a small to medium wristband, depending on your size of hand. So you just slide them out like so, with the sizes you want that best fits you. And then just tear off the little plastic thing that's on the wristband. And bring the Apple Watch with you. So you can then apply it onto the Apple Watch. Slide it in like so until you hear a click. Now you can just take off that little plastic, and you can put on your Apple Watch. But we have to pair it first for it to work. It's kind of hard putting a watch with one hand. So if you have someone to help you, that would be greatly helpful. You see? It's real nice. Feels real smooth, quality materials. Just slide it in like so. and it's beautiful. It looks futuristic. Here is where we pair the Apple Watch with your iPhone. So first, you want to go to your Apple Watch app on your iPhone. If you don't have that app, then you just go to the App Store to find it and then reinstall it, as it should have come with your phone in the beginning. Now you just turn on your Apple Watch and make sure you hold it up to the camera of your iPhone so that it sees your Apple Watch and it can pair. This can take a while because the Apple Watch needs to be turned on. Now, the Apple Watch tells you what to do. It says to bring your iPhone close to the Apple Watch in different languages. And now it is paired. And the watch screen is beautiful. You just connect to your Apple Watch. It may or may not need an update. Ours didn't. And then you just wait a while. You accept the terms and conditions, of course. And then you set the different features up, like Find My Watch. And then your workout routine. And then you could also set watch faces onto your Apple Watch. And then a passcode for your Apple Watch so that only you can get in and those who you allow can get in. So you just set up all of the things such as the activity that you do during your day. Just set up those apps, your daily move goal, depending on how athletic you are or not. And automatic updates will be installed. You could also set up Apple Pay onto your watch, but we have no need of that. You can send emergency SOSs through your watch if you're in a tough situation and you need some help, like if you have a heart attack or something. And then you can set up your clock faces. There are many different faces for your Apple Watch. And you can download many apps on your Apple Watch, as there is an app store. And it will also say that you can download the apps that are on your phone. You can download them onto your Apple Watch. Now we're syncing the Apple Watch with the iPhone. And it says, "Welcome to Apple Watch." You can fix the settings and the faces on your iPhone, as well as on your Apple Watch. So here we are choosing which face we want on our watch. There are many different ones. Many. So be sure to take a look at them all to see which one you like the best. You can switch these on a daily basis, so don't worry about deciding which one you want. It's many different ones, depending on your mood or your style preference. You can have it match with your outfit if you want. Or have it more like a fitness watch. You can choose the colors. There are many different ones. So be sure to choose which ones you like. It's very beautiful. And you can also choose which numbers you want. There are different ones, so be sure to look through them. You can change the style, and you can set it as this current watch face. You can also remove watch faces. You can have your apps on your watch and set notifications. There are many different watch faces, so be sure to go through the face gallery and pick out the ones you really like. There are some that are like regular watches and some that are different. There's color ones, and you can choose which colors you want. And there's fire and water, which have interesting displays. There's the gradients, which look interesting, and the infograph. There's kaleidoscope faces, and there's liquid metal faces. Really nice. There's also Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse faces, which tell you the time if you tap on them. There's the motion faces, which change each time you go to look at the time. And more. You can have photos for a face if you wish. You see, many different faces. I hope you liked our video and have a great day.